Hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to Cyber Acharya. This side Snehal Sathwara, and we are having our speaker Om Bhut. So, welcome to the session of Python for Data Science, which we are going to solve today for week one. So, week 1, quiz 1, and its related questions. Om Bhut is going to discuss with you. And if you are having any queries or questions, you can definitely ask in the chat box, and we will be going through the chat box also. So we will cover each and every queries. So we will be waiting for 2 more minutes, and then we will start our session. Meanwhile, enjoy our music. We'll be waiting for 2 more minutes. Let's others to join. Then we will start. Ask your colleagues to join in the session so that they get the advantage of the how to prepare the examination for the NPTEL SWAYAM Python for data science. The speaker is Om Bhut. He is a data analyst, and definitely you will enjoy this session, live session. So let's wait for 2 more minutes, then we'll start. So let's start in 20 seconds. Please be there. Okay, so hello everyone. I hope I'm audible. I welcome you all on the Cyber Acharya YouTube platform. We are live right now, and today we are going to start with the doubt solving session. So be interactive. I request you all please be interactive. Please write in the chat box if I am audible, and let me welcome my colleague Om Bhut, who is going to deliver the session, who is an expert in the data analyst, and he appeared in the Python for data science NPTEL SWAYAM exam for 2 times, and he got and achieved the good score there. So he will be sharing the experience of NPTEL SWAYAM with the different quiz questions, which is not available in the current quizzes, right? So you will be getting different questions which is not available in the current quiz or current courses. You will get the good experience over there. If you are new to this platform, I mean you are first time in this my channel and appearing for the first time, definitely I ensure you that you will get a good knowledge. So without wasting time, I welcome Mr. Om Booth, who is going to deliver this session. Thank you. Over to you, Om.
Yeah, hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, Om, you are audible and you can share your screen.
Yeah, yeah. So, just a second, let me share my screen.
I hope Om is audible to all, right? Everyone. So meanwhile, I will observe your chat. If you are having any queries, you can ask to me, right? I'll observe your chat here. So if in case any queries, please let me know. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So Om is there and he is going to share the screen.
Yeah. So, the screen is visible?
Yes, Om, it's visible. So I am
Yeah.
going on mute and I will
Hmm.
turn off my video also. So Om, it's all
Okay.
about you. Over to you, beta. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay, okay, sir. Uh, so, we are just gonna start with Python for data science week 1 doubt solving. Today we'll even do some challenges also. It may include around much questions. So first of all, we'll cover the concepts. This all the concepts which one included, and then after we'll proceed further with quick quiz, which will be one on one. You will solve the quiz and give an answer in the poll. And by that time, if you are having any of the doubts, we'll solve it in this session only. Okay. Yeah, just do a thumbs up and comment if all the things are clear. Shall we proceed further, sir?
Yes, Om, please go ahead. Now you continue.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay,
I'll
okay.
ask about hold if there is any questions. Otherwise, you can start your sessions now with your coding part and all. Go ahead.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So, students, this is really very important sessions. It will help you to crack your Python for data science exam for the SWAYAM NPTEL. Okay, so you will definitely get benefited on this. So please get as much as from this video. Okay, so Om is going to share the screen. Then we will start.
Sorry, sir. Actually, by
Over
mistake.
to you. Over to you, Om.
Yeah,
Please
yeah,
share your screen.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. My screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So before starting with the quiz, let's clear the concepts of variables and data types. So for week 1. So basically, what is a variable is it stores any of the value that we want. Means it may be string, it may be integer, it may be float, or it may be any other type of value that we are storing. And there are some certain rules to write variables. What are the rules are? It contains alphabets, digits, and underscore. Uh, Also, you can the name can only start with an alphabet or underscore. Let's suppose if we are writing some alphabet like I'll give an example over here itself. Dollar name. This is not allowed. We can't write this way. This will give an error in naming in variable. We can start like this. We can even start like this. And yeah, sorry. Here both of the names are different. Means it doesn't matter that the word are same, but first name is just starting from capital letter, and the second one is starting from a small letter. So both of the name are different in Python. Then after, a variable name can't start with a digit. So we can't start with a digit like this, and even can't do this thing. Can't. This both the things cannot be done in naming a variable. Yeah, but starting a variable with an underscore and capital letter is possible. And yeah, even no white space is allowed. Let's suppose we are doing a space and writing a name. Even this is not possible. This will even give an error. So we'll take this over here. Yeah. So we can write the name in this three format. Means the small letter as in starting, capital letter, and an underscore in the beginning. A dollar and the number in beginning is not allowed, and even there is no dollar sign allowed in the in between. uh, then based on the data type of the variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserve memory. Let's suppose we are doing this thing. So this will automatically consider name as beast, and it will allocate the name as a string variable, because we are giving a name, a proper word. We are giving a proper word inside a double quote, which means it is a string variable. If we are writing as 4, a number as 4, so this will indicate this that it is a string. It is an integer data type. And if you are writing uh, so this will automatically guess that it is a floating number. So we don't need to describe like Java, that we are doing that this is an integer number, or else this is a string name, or else this is a float decimal. So we don't need to write this particular thing in Python. We can simply write a variable, and then after we can assign a value to it. It will automatically understand that what does it mean. Is it a string? Is it a integer, or it is a floating point number? Similarly, the other thing says is, therefore, by assigning different data type to variable, you can store integer, decimal characters in this variable, as I told you over here in this example. We'll take this example over here. Yeah. So the syntax of defining a variable is variable name, in the sense whatever variable name you want to give, and the value that you want to assign. Counter 100 means an integer assignment. This is an integer assignment, means we are assigning a number to a variable. Okay. So this will return a data type as integer. Miles equals to 1000.0. This is a floating point number which will give us an output of character float. This will give us an output of a string. Name equals to hello. So this is a simple example of printing a Python variable. We can even do this thing in coding too. Let me present another screen.
Your screen. Okay.
So
Please.
visible?
Yeah, visible, visible. Go ahead.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Is the screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So let me first create a folder over here. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So we were writing this particular thing, right? Okay. We'll take this example only. We'll not write much thing. We'll just do copy paste. So what it will return is, uh, so it will return counter as 100, miles is 1000.0, and name is hello. So let's check the type. So it's returning as first as integer, second as floating point, and third as string. Yeah, that what we saw in this example, what it will return. Now, proceeding further with another a delete variable. Let's suppose we are writing a name as Bunny, and then after we want to delete it. Is it possible? Let's try. So here we are writing a variable as name. Sorry, name is Bunny. Yeah. First, we'll do this much. Yeah, it's done. Then after we are deleting that variable. Yeah, see the variable has been deleted. First, let me execute this much. Executed. Yeah, deleting this thing. Executed perfectly. Then after we are printing the name again. This will return an error since we deleted that particular variable earlier. First, we created a variable called as name. Then after we uh, try to delete that particular variable. Yeah, deleting a variable is possible over here. Now, proceeding further with next one, multiple assignment. Yeah, even this is possible. Let's suppose we are writing as name, roll number, marks. This. Even this is possible. Let's suppose we don't want to write things like name equals to roll number equals to 101, and another one more line marks equals to 797.5 and all. So we can just do this particular thing in one line also. Even we can execute this thing. Let me show you. This is executable. Print, print name, print roll number, print marks. All the things will be printed as it is, and even this will execute the same way. We are getting the same output for both of the things. So assigning multiple variables in one line is even possible. We can do that particular thing, which will save our time, and also the it will be easier to read. Okay. Now, none value. Python has a special predefined value called none. The value has its own type and is useful where you want to create a variable but don't want to specify its value. Example, information. Let's suppose you're working on some project, and initially you don't know what values you need to uh, assign to that particular variable. What you can do is you can simply write as, let's suppose you're creating a game application, and initially you don't know any score. So what you can do is you can do this thing. So now the score will be executed, but the value will be none, which means this particular thing don't have value initially, but further you can add value to this particular variable. So left leaving it blank will give us an error, invalid syntax. So what we'll do is we'll just write none over here and proceed further. So it will not give an error and a variable will be created. And then after we can use this particular thing in future wherever we need. Let's suppose you are creating a game, so you may be needed in some particular scores. Now, type function. Just now we check the type of the variable over here. Yeah, this is the type function. checking the variables class, means in which class does it belong. Is it an integer class, it's a float class, is it a string class. We can just see that that particular variable is belong to which particular class. So the type indicates the same thing. You have written the thing type function used to find the data type of given variable in Python. So in short, you can get a data type of any particular variable by using type. Yeah, but this is a syntax of executing type. We can't write as name dot type. This is not. This is a wrong way syntax. Yeah, this is a wrong syntax, and this is a correct syntax. Type name correct syntax. Yeah. Now, joining up the fragments. Normally, each print statement starts on a new line, but it is possible to print several values on a single line by separating them with a comma. Yeah, we can even do this particular thing. Let's suppose we have created, we'll take this example. Let's suppose we have created this variable, and we don't want to print like this. Oops, sorry. Yeah, we don't want to print like this. What we can do is we can simply write as roll number marks. Even this will be executed. But the thing is that this will execute in one single parallel line, means all of the things will be executed in one line itself. But what if we need to add some comma, some space at the end? We can do like this. This is a simple thing that we ever do, underscore. Else we can even end it with end thing. Even this will be executed. Oops, sorry, what the error came? Okay, after and we can't apply this thing. Yeah, so we can end up the things by separating through a comma. If we are separating the variables via a comma, it will print everything in a single line like this. And if we want to bring everything in a new line, means let's suppose we want to print like this, like this particular thing, in step by step format, what we can do over here is we can simply write as slash n. Oops. Yeah, this will be executed. So we'll give a slash n after every variable name. This will print everything in a new line. But doing this is a tedious task, means we can't do this particular thing every time. Writing a variable name, doing slash n, again writing a variable name, again doing a slash n. But this is only for a simplicity. Let's suppose you are doing this thing, a equals to 12, b equals to 4, and then after you need to do sum as addition as a plus b, and sorry, b, and then after you are doing a plus here where this comma separated thing comes in. If you want to present the thing that 12 plus 4 equals to this particular answer, then you can do this thing. I'll comment this off. Yeah, see, 12 plus 4 equals to 16. If you want to execute this all the thing and print all the things in one line, then you can do this comma separated things. Okay, now oops, what's the error coming up? Anyways, What is data types? A data types tells Python what kind of value a variable holds. It may be text, it may be number, it may be list, it may be integer, any of the type of data types it may be. Uh, there are certain data types in Python. There are a few inbuilt data types and few of the data types even Python provides by itself. Categories of data types are string, integer, float, boolean, list, tuple, dictionary, set. But let's go through each and every data type step by step. First one is string. It is a text data type. It contains characters, means a string of characters, not a single character, but a string of characters. Then after second one is numeric data type. In numeric data type, there are total three types of data type. First is integer, next is float, another one is complex data type. String is the similar like a whole number. A float is a decimal number, and a complex is that particular 2 plus 3j type of things. Now, what is a Boolean data type? Boolean data type includes only true and false. Means it's a logical values. It may be true, it may be false. Now, sequence data type has two types. One is list, and another one is tuple. What is the difference between list and tuple? Means the main difference between list and tuple is list is ordered and changeable. Means the values inside the list can be changed in future if you need. It may be appended, it may be deleted, it may be modified. Means in simple words, update. It also may be in a sequence. And the thing in tuple is it is ordered but unchangeable. Means the values in the tuple is in a sequence in a proper order, but fortunately we can't change any of the values in tuples. Let's suppose if we are writing name as some particular value, then we can't change that value in future, or we can't even remove means edit that particular variable. Okay. Next is text set. It is a type of sequence only. It is a type of unordered and duplicated. It contains unordered and duplicate values. Means the values inside a set may be unordered, but duplicates values is not available. Means we can't do duplicate things. Means let's suppose there are two names. The two names are similar. There are two boys whose names are similar, but in list we can add the name of two boys, but means a similar name, but in set we can't. In set it will give us an error that you can't store two names in a similar way. Okay. Another one is mapping, a dictionary. Dictionary is containing a key value pair. Key in the sense the value, the variable name that you are defining, and the value is the value of the variable. Let's suppose it's a name and you are giving some name. So the variable name is a variable, and the value you are giving. Now, none type. It's basically it represents no value, a none value means an empty value. Cool. So this is the example of each and every particular data types and all. I'll share this thing in description. Snehal sir,
Yes,
hello,
yes. Oh, home. Yes, tell me.
hello,
Tell me,
Snehal sir.
Yes, yes. I will upload this IPYNB in the description box. Once we
Yeah,
finish this,
yeah, yeah. Sorry,
once
I was mute.
once
Yeah,
once we finish this live session, I will immediately I will upload this IPYNB file in the description box, so viewer can do their practice by their own.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, shall we proceed further with quiz and all?
Yes, yes, of course. So you showcase there your quiz question and let them
Sure.
answer in the poll. Okay.
Okay. So, are you all ready for the quiz?
Students, please write in the chat box.
Shall we proceed further with the quiz part? Give us a
Yes,
confirmation, boys and
yes.
girls.
Students, please write in the chat box. Uh, Quiz question will be reflected on the screen in front of you. Then you have to give the answer in the poll in the chat box. So, Om, let's do
Yes,
one
sir.
thing. First question we will be reflecting so that I can show them how they can give the answer. So,
Yeah, yeah.
MCQ
Just
will
a
be
second, sir.
MCQ based. So, A, B, C, D option will be there. In poll, you can see only A, B, C, D, and you have to give the answer based on that in the chat box or in the poll. Okay.
Yeah.
If there are multiple answer, you have to write in the chat box. And if you stuck somewhere, Om will answer. Om will explain the things, right? So you can write in the chat box also, dear all. Okay.
Sir, the screen is visible?
Just a minute. Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So we
So let's
will
get started
proceed
with the
further with.
first quiz question so that they can.
Yeah.
Um, it is showing. Yeah. Okay. 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 Please zoom it. Zoom it. Zoom
Yeah,
in.
just a second, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Done?
Yes. I hope there is no answer, right? Correct answer.
Yeah, no, 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 sir.
Okay.
Only
Oh,
options.
great. So, student, first question is in front of you, and I am going to create a poll for this.
So, students, we will not proceed further with solving the answer just because it will take a lengthy of time, and we are having much, 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 and much more quiz over here. In total, we are having around 45, 40, 47 questions. So it will take a huge amount of time solving each and every questions over here. I'll just solve the questions in which you are having doubt. Okay.
Okay, so viewer are attempting the poll. So I will
Yeah.
say the correct answer. Okay, I mean, and you verify
Yeah.
what majority that I am getting the answer, and you will verify the answer. If required, of course, Om will explain. Don't worry. I mean, if it is
Yeah,
difficult
sure.
for Om will explain. Okay.
If you are
So
stuck anywhere solving the questions and you have doubt in any particular question, I'll definitely solve it. And
yes.
if we are proceeding further smoothly, then after we'll consider the highest priority of the votes. Okay, means the one which is correct, not the one which is at most higher priority in the votes.
So great. So let's read the first question and give the answer. Okay, I'll give you just 10 to 30 seconds. So most of the student appeared C answer. Now, Om,
See,
you say which is the correct one.
just a second, sir. Let me verify the question.
They said 1, 3, and 4. Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? The
Yeah.
concept is
So
variable name.
just a second, sir. So, sir, what was the answer?
They tick C.
Um, how much means percent means how much mass?
60% tick the C.
Sir, it's wrong.
Okay, your screen gone. Huh? You
Sorry,
can
just a second,
you
please.
can run also if I
Yeah.
mean just a minute. Your screen.
Sir, the
Okay.
correct option is C.
Yes, yes. I said they
Sorry,
mark
B,
C
B,
only.
B, B, B.
C.
Sir,
Okay, so we
actually,
don't.
we discussed right now that we can't start a variable with a number,
Okay,
and
which
even
of the
a class. A class is a built-in data type. Means class. We use class as a creating a new class in OOPS concepts. So we can't even use that particular thing.
three numbers start new? Right? Yes, of course, of course. So one and three is the
Yeah.
correct answer.
Yes.
So your correct option is, please write correct option so that they can mark also. Later on, if they refer this video, they can, uh, or else
Uh,
you can, or else wait. You just highlight that. It's okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
ju-
Yeah.
take it easy. Okay. So B is the correct answer. One and three. Done. It's okay.
Now,
Let's go to the
proceeding
second.
for the question two.
Yeah, question two. Let me end the poll and let me proceed for the question two. Please read the question, students, and give the answer. Students, please be careful about the option because Swayam is asking this kind of questions every time. Seems like easy, but it will be tricky. So there is a question two poll. Please go ahead and check. So still I'm waiting for your answer. How many questions are there?
Sir, total 47 questions are there.
47, no? Okay, so we'll
Yeah.
make some speed also. So let me check the poll. So 100% student have tick the A, option A.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Okay, so let's move to the third one.
Yeah. So, proceeding further with question three, what is the result of A2 B equals to 3 and the expression? If you want, then I can give this particular table over here as a reference. But no need actually. You will not get that particular table in exam. Sorry.
So this is the concept of
Yeah.
operators and
Yes.
preceding. Which operator will come first? And I hope you know the Bodmas rule, right? So there are some operator preceding concept, and based on that, you have to act. Okay. So poll is generated here. Please give the answer. So let me check the. Okay. 67% tick the D for Delhi, Delta.
Let's check your answer. By
D
the
for.
way, doing this thing in a computer will help you now, but I prefer that you do this particular thing in by mind, not by using the compiler, because in NPTEL exam will not get any compiler. Oh, sorry, I need to run this thing. Yeah. So getting answer as 18, sir. Option D.
D, delta.
Yeah,
So
done, correct.
67% student marked the delta. So really very good. Congratulations who marked the correct answer.
Yeah. Proceeding with next question.
So proceeding
Question.
with the next one, question number 4.
I'll suggest you all students to do this thing mentally, not using the compiler, because in NPTEL exam will not get any of the compiler. There will be only pen and paper you may proceed to with.
So dear students, there is a good chance to practice this kind of questions, and trust me, these questions are like from the NPTEL SWAYAM only, and it may be asked in the exam also.
These are
Okay.
the questions in previous year's exams.
Yeah, yeah. So do the practice right now, and if you stuck, then write in the chat box. So we will help you definitely. So question 4 is in front of you. Most of the student take the C.
Correct, sir.
C
Correct.
for Charlie.
Correct.
Very good.
Next question.
So question number 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, uh, Please move your mouse so that they can read. Otherwise, they will confuse. Yes, yes. Now, okay. So question number 5 is in front of you. A is syntax error, B is key error, C is value error, and D is index error. I hope you are connecting with the questions. Let's take more 10 seconds and think. Most of the student take the A for alpha.
Correct, sir. Correct. It is a syntax error.
So let's move to next one.
Yeah. Proceeding further with next question. Question sixth.
So question 6 poll is in front of you. While naming the variable, use of any special character other than underscore will throw which type of error? Again, very important for Swayam. Huh? Let's take 5 seconds more. Most of the student take the A alpha.
Syntax error, right?
Yes, syntax error they ticked.
Yeah, correct, sir. Correct.
So let's wait for 1 minute, Om, uh,
Okay,
and we will take a quick feedback.
cool.
Students, are you with us? Are you with us and enjoying the quiz questions? Please showcase, write in the chat box so that we can get the idea.
Are you all having any doubts solving the questions or in any concepts?
You can write in the chat box, okay, after each question. If you are having any doubt of each question, you can write in the chat box immediately so that we can guide you accordingly. Okay, so question number 7 poll is in front of you. So most of the student ticked uh, answer B, B for beta.
5 and 0? Correct, sir.
Yes. Okay, let's move to the next one.
Okay. Yeah, here is the question 8.
Question 8 poll is in front of you. Trust me, these are the previous year asked question, right? Definitely in upcoming session, I will be discussing how, paper style in the SWAYAM and NPTEL. So how they are going to ask the questions, okay? But definitely, it will be tricky. It seems like very easy, but it will be tricky. Uh, uh, Om, please remove that mouse cursor from not. Otherwise, they will confuse.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's see the result. Most of they take the B for beta.
Let me. Yeah, it's correct,
B
sir.
for beta. Good.
Correct.
Let's move to the next one.
Yeah. Question ninth. If you are stucking anywhere in any of the questions, please do let me know.
So question 9 poll is in front of you. You can keep your notebook and pen with you. And trust me, don't run in the terminal and give the answer. Try to run by your own in your mind, right? So it will help you. Okay, student ticked A for alpha.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Good. Let's go to
Students,
10th
they are
one.
solving by book and pen, right? Not solving by compiler. I hope so. If you're trying to solve all the things by compiler, then it will definitely not help you in NPTEL exam because their compiler will not be there for you. Please do try to solve everything in pen and paper.
So, question number 10. Which operator those are? You can write in the chat box which operator those are. So, in this question, I'm not getting any poll answer. Bitwise operator, isn't it?
Sir, they correct the question, means they are means most of the poll is A.
But, just a minute. No, no, no. I don't know. I'm not getting the poll answer.
Okay, okay.
Students, if you are not giving answer in the poll where you are stuck, write in the chat box. Okay, someone take the answer B for beta.
Sir, it's incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay, you just help them what concept they should focus to solve this kind of question.
Cool. You're stuck in this particular question. Question number 10th.
Yes, now I'm getting some poll answer A alpha.
Okay. What is the majority of the poll answer, sir?
A alpha now.
Okay. So some students are stuck in question 10th. Right? No worries. I'll solve it for you. What does the question says is A is 6, B is 3. So A, sorry, A equals to 3, B equals to 6. Yeah. I'll minimize. Yeah. So in binary, what we write is in binary the 3 is 0, 1, 1. Up. So this is B. Yeah. In binary, 3 is 0, 0, 1. If you know, we write the binary numbers as 2, 4, 6, 8. Likewise, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16, 32, 64, 128. This is how we write binary numbers. Now, according to A, which means 6. So here A will be 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 0. It's 1, 0. Now, what we have been told is we need to print this thing. We'll not write, we'll just do copy paste. Yeah. First of all, we need to do OR of both of the things. Print OR. What it will return? 7. 7. Now we need to do a XOR operation. What it will return is 5. Then after we need to do a negation operation. This is a negation operation and it will return -7 as it's shown. So applying this all the things in one particular place, what it will do is what it is printing is 7, 5, -7. This is what it will print at the end. 7, 5, and minus 7. So the correct answer is option A.
Great. So yes, I observed that in a poll. Now most of the student appeared in the A. Okay, so let's. I hope this clear your doubt. Uh, all right, great. Let's go to next one.
So you have been stuck in binary, sorry, in operators. Just do consider that particular table that I showed you. Wait, if possible, I'll bring it up.
Wait. Oh, uh, Rahul Guptaraj.
This is
Actually, this is beat-wise operator. These are the beat-wise operator. There is a concept of operator in Python. Uh, these are the beat-wise operator where first pipeline is known as a OR, then that caret symbol is known as the XOR, and that tilde signal, right? So of course, do one thing, don't worry, I will share one video in my YouTube to by tomorrow, so you will get this information, how bitwise operators are working there. Okay, you have to convert every decimal into bitwise, I mean into binary, and then you have to do the operation actually.
Mm, if there is an example, I'll show you. Just a second, please.
Thank you, Rahul, thank you.
There is no such example in my notes, but I'll definitely share the notes in which all the examples are there.
We will
Sir,
be sharing
so
the
shall we
notes
proceed
in
further?
IPYNB file in description once we
Great.
finish this
Yeah.
session. Okay.
Yeah, cool.
So let's move to the next one, 11.
So let me zoom it.
So question number 11. I hope it's very easy. Again, these are the operator actually.
Sir, there are a lot many questions related to operators.
Operator, and of course in NPTEL SWAYAM you will get this kind of questions for sure, sure. So let me check the poll. Most of the student they have ticked the answer D. D for Delta.
No, sir, it's incorrect.
Okay.
Is this the answer for question 11th?
Yes.
No, sir, it's incorrect.
Okay, so student, one concept here again: comparative operator, logical operator, arithmetic operator. I can see here, and there are a mix of operators, right? Logical, comparative, and arithmetic. And again, preceding, which will come first? I mean, which will count first? Logical, or you can say that comparative or arithmetic, which will count first? So Om, do you have that table so that they can see here?
Yeah, just that precedence table.
Precedence table, yes.
Yeah, here it is.
So if you write in the Google precedence table for the Python, it will show you, and based on that it will act. So now Om, explain the correct answer and why.
Cool. Just a second. First of all, we need to understand this precedence table and the operators. Uh, what does the questions? Sorry, what does the question says is? Let me go to the question. X is 5, Y is 10, and Z is X greater than Y. Okay, we'll copy this thing. Wait.
Okay, someone is saying -5.
Yeah, sir. Wait, let's go to the answer. So, according to the precedence table, among this, all the things which thing will be executed first. Wait, I'll give the precedence table again. Wait.
I hope students you are enjoying the session.
Oops. Yeah. So here is the precedence table, and here is the question. Before I'll solve, just please do try to solve by taking the precedence table into consideration. Just try it once. If you are not been able to do, I'll definitely solve for you.
Yes. So for this question, most of the student answered D for delta, huh?
Sir, delta? Not possible. Print Z? False.
And
Not possible.
someone, I mean, take the C for Charlie.
Even it is incorrect, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
So
the common thing, sir, the common logic is how it will return true or false.
yes, yes, of
How it will
course.
return a Boolean value. It
Hmm.
will definitely return a numerical value. So the options C and D are incorrect just because it will be removed from the options because it cannot return a Boolean variable. It will definitely return a integer data type. So option should be 15 else minus 5. This is a quick hint. And the precedence table is in front of you. Please do try to see the precedence table and solve the question. You'll not get this precedence table in exam, but yeah, you're getting right now over here. Try to solve it.
Okay, with time constraint, I mean, you quickly explain how we can go ahead with this, and then we will go to the next one.
Sure, sir. Sir, according to the precedence table, what we need to execute first is the expression x greater than y, x plus y, x minus y. Just because and or are having the lowest precedence among all. Okay,
Great.
so what we'll do over here is we will first do solve this thing x greater than y, print, yeah, print x plus y and x minus y. Sorry, the VS Code has been closed.
Your screen is not
Yeah, actually,
visible.
sir, the VS Code is paused. So just a second. Yeah, it may be visible now.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So where was the question gone? Yeah. So what would be the output of this is it is false 15 and minus 5. So what will place over here? false, 15 minus 5, and and in between and or over here. So just a second. False, f a c. Yeah. So from and or what it will execute first is and then after it will execute or. So it will do like this. So it is false, false, or it was minus 5. So it will print minus 5 because first it will give the highest priority to this greater than plus and minus operators. Then after it will give the priority to and after that it will give priority to or. So at then it will print minus 5. Up, sorry, I need to print z over here. So if you have still not been thoroughly with this precedence table, do check this out once. Try to remember, and no need to remember each and every operators from this. You can just remember this precedence table from their initials. P means parenthesis, exponential. Frankly speaking, unary operator will not been asked in exam that much. But yeah, parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, addition, bitwise, shift, and XOR. This all the things have been asked frequently in the exam. So is the doubt clear, sir? Shall we
Yes,
proceed further?
please go ahead with the question number 12.
Okay.
Question number 12.
I guess this question should be solved easily without any compiler.
Yes, of course. Double asterisk means power. Are you there, students? Yes, people are taking A for alpha.
For this question?
Yes.
No, it's incorrect, sir.
Okay. So few students are giving answer B. B. 5 and 2.
Sir, what's the percentage?
33.
Means for B
Ah, yes. For B,
and
33.
for A?
For A, 75.
Okay, so half of the mass is correct, correcting to option A. Let's first wait for some more time, sir. Please do verify your answer.
Anyways, it's A. Please explain and we will go to next.
Sir, actually, it's not A, it's B because
Now, why
we
B?
can just try here. Wait, wait, wait. We will try. Oops, sorry. It's 512 because initially you are solving the first one, right? The first part is 3 raised to 2. Then whatever value you will get, you will put instead of 3 and then you will solve. What I mean is, this is what I mean. 3 star 2 is 9, and instead of putting this thing, we'll put 9 over here, and then we'll get an answer. So here we are going from right to left. In such a cases where you are getting double stars, means the raise to power, you will initially finish up the last thing first, and then after you'll go to the left part. Understood?
Okay, then let's
Sir,
go to
shall
the next.
we go?
Yeah,
Yeah.
question number 13.
So, yeah. What will be the? I will let me close this thing. Yeah. So, what will be the output of the following code? Try it out.
B for beta.
Correct.
Great.
Most of the mass is going for B for beta.
Yes, yes.
100%. Wow, cool.
So I hope
So, we'll just.
everybody is
Yeah.
participating in this. And dear students, now quick response. Come on, if you are available and interested of a few more questions. Anyways, we will not take more time. We will be completing till 20. And if possible, tomorrow again we will be finishing few more, right? But if you are interested, please write in the chat box. Should we go to the few till 20? Please give me the quick feedback so that we can understand. We should proceed or not. Write in the chat box. Do we need to showcase few more questions here? Okay, Rahul is saying yes. Durgesh is saying yes. Okay, because viewer are very less. So, anyways, let's finish till 20. Let's go to the question number 14.
Okay. Here is the question number 14. Again, this is the question for precedence.
D for Delta.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, great. So
Yeah,
let's
let's
go
go
to
for
the
question 15.
15.
If you are solving in the same speed, then we'll proceed further with other questions too.
Yeah. Question 15 poll is available.
Yes, sir.
Question 15. Rahul is saying D. Okay. Anyways, you can write in the chat box also. Let's do one thing for next five questions. You write your option in the chat box. So only one person is saying D. D for Delta.
No, sir, it's incorrect.
One more answer. A. A for Alpha.
Yes. Next, another answers.
Yes, that's it.
No, sir, it's incorrect. The answer is A. The one
Yes, yes.
who take, yes, who did take the answer A.
So in poll, I'm getting answer A.
Okay. Yeah, the one who take the answer A is correct.
Great. So let's do few five. Few more questions till five. Till 20, we are going, and we will end up the session. But anyways, you now I'm not going to generate the poll. You just write in the chat box so that we can get idea who is solving and all. Okay, so please make little bit zoom in. So question number 16. Question number 16. Give answer in the chat box. Don't worry whether you are wrong or correct. Little bit zoom out, dear. Or
Sir,
okay,
more?
it's okay. No, 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 no. Done, done.
Okay. Okay.
It's done. Come on. Question number 16. What is the correct answer? We are getting answer A from
Let's
Rajan
wait for
Durgesh.
some more response, sir.
Rahul is also saying A.
For 16.
Yes.
Let's wait for some more answers.
I hope you will not get more answer now.
So, student, this is incorrect. The correct answer is, shall I say correct answer, or you want to try once more?
You tell the correct and why it is wrong and
Okay,
how
so
to get the
the
correct.
correct answer is B, -3 and -2.33. For this, you may consider precedence table first. First, go through the precedence table thoroughly, and then after try to solve this kind of questions. I guess the concept for a precedence table is not clear for you all guys.
And in NPTEL precedence tables, question will be there for sure. I mean, two or three, for 5 marks, they are asking the question.
Yeah. So first,
So,
normal division will be done. I
yeah,
told
okay.
earlier that in this type of questions, you need to solve the one which is in right. Normal division will be considered first, means the single slash, and then after we will do floor division, double slash.
Okay, so x divided by y, and then whatever answers that you are getting,
Yes, yes.
uh, then
Sir, but
x
if we are doing
floor
parallelly
division.
both of the things, but then too the answer will be the same, because the floor division of -7 along with 3 will return -3, and the normal division of -7 by 3 will return -2.33.
Good, great. So, anyways, let's go to the next one.
Okay. Question 17th.
Question 17. Don't worry, students. Now only four questions we are going to solve, okay? Try and get the correct answer. Okay, so I hope we are not getting any answer. Om, you just explain and proceed further.
Okay. So the answer is 7. A. Again,
Now,
the concept of precedence. So there are much more questions for precedence only. I guess this may be need to be solved by the students. The concept of precedence are weak. I guess they are not
no,
fully polished.
actually, it is always confusing,
Yeah.
and it depends
So
on table.
actually, it's easy to remember the precedence table along with the initial letters. Do
Hmm.
not
So you
remember the
you
full name.
you just
Yeah.
give the tricks how to remember this one. If we don't have any table in the exam, how they remember this one?
Sir, actually, there is a simple trick which I use is take the initials of every name, means P, E, M, likewise. Means the P of
Okay.
parenthesis, E for exponential, M for multiplication and all. So you will, at the end, you will get a word. And remember that word. You will for sure recognize all that particular name of the concepts, the precedents.
Okay, okay. So all, anyways, what I believe that it is always we will get the confused with this kind of question. But of course, what Om said, you just remember with the initial letters,
I'll show
remember
you one
this
example like
table, that
P
then you will definitely
E
get the answer.
M D A S. It will. I don't know how you sound this PEMDAS, but yeah, you can remember likewise that P is parenthesis, E is exponential, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So the priority of P is higher than E. The priorities of E is higher than M. Likewise, you can remember the full thing.
Yes.
Okay, so it's an easy way to remember the precedence table.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
So, with question 18th.
That was okay. We are in a question 18, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Nice question. So x is equal to 3.5 in the string, then y is equal to, now they are trying to confuse float, then integer, then it is finally in a z it is string. So what will be the answer in a print z? Come on. Okay, Anchal is saying A, Durges is saying A. Okay, great. Hmm. Do I need to wait for more answer?
I don't think so because there are only five watching.
Yeah.
Okay, the answer is would you like means anybody would like to change the answer if they need?
No, no, they are firm with the answer A.
Okay, so the answer is A, correct.
Great. Let's go
Question
to the
19.
last two questions. Now again, see is. Question number 19.
It's again precedence.
Yeah. Now which operator it is? Is. So there are so many operators like arithmetic, logical, bitwise, comparative operator, right? Membership operator. Now what is this is operator? You can write in the chat box. What is this is operator? Okay, Rajan Vyas is saying B for beta.
Okay, more answers. Waiting for the more answers.
Okay.
Yeah, A is correct. No, both Rajan and Durgesh, you both are incorrect. Anchal is correct. A is the correct answer.
Okay, great. So why A?
Sir,
No,
actually
first of all,
the
tell
answer,
them
yeah,
which operator it is. Is. Then
everything has been mentioned in, sir, means everything has been
table.
mentioned in this IPYNB. Yeah, this bitwise operator. Here there is also.
Okay, okay.
So lastly, I'll suggest you to go through with this is one. I mean, sorry, precedence table. But I'll confirm that what is. Uh, is just to check identity. If
Yes.
A is B, means if A contains the value which B contains, is both are they both similar? If yes, then it will be true. If not, then it will be false. So A is B. It's correct. So it will be true. C is D. Even it is correct. So it will be true. C equals to D. R, C, and D equals yes. So all of them will be true. I guess that there is some mistake. Okay. Yeah. B is correct. B. True is correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. So is okay. Great, great. Good, good, Rahul, Durgesh, Rajan. Great.
But
Okay.
sir, at the
Hmm.
same time, we do even need to check the this means the ease is checking only the values.
Where?
Check equality
Okay.
and
Okay.
where sir the equals to is checking
Yes.
the
Equality.
values only the fives the two five
Yeah.
seven 257. But
Yeah.
what is doing is
Identity.
checking. Yeah,
Identity is checking the memory. Do you know the ID concept? ID.
yes.
So if we store x is equal to 2, and if we check
Yeah.
ID x, right?
Hmm.
And let's say again, if we write y is equal to 2, and if we check ID y, both ID are same,
So
right?
according to that, B is incorrect, sir.
According to that, B is incorrect. Check in the terminal. I mean, check in the. Let's just check. It was 256, 256. Because it is always checking the ID. Is always checking the ID, and that is the reason it is identity operator.
Sir, true, false, true. A
And
is
what is the
correct.
true false? A is correct, right?
A.
Okay, okay. Great, good Anchal. So make sure students, is the identity. And identity means in the Python there is inbuilt function called ID. Please write x is equal to
Yes, sir.
2. X is equal to 2. and y is equal to 2, and y is equal to 2. Now check id of x and id of y. Right, now run the code. Yeah, print. Print. Right. Okay. Now see, both id are same, and that is the reason it is comparing. Done. Now in the last line, please write x is y, x is y, x, print x is y. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, and check. See, it is true now. Now y is equal to 3. Make it y is equal to 3. And now see, false. Why? Because both identity is changed. Done. Now let's do one thing. Let's make
Yes, sir.
x is equal to in the list 1, 2, 3. List 1, 2, 3. Now again y 1, 2, 3. Y list 1, 2, 3. Now wait, don't run the code. Oh, you run. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Now see, in this case, can
Hmm.
we say this both lists are same actually? X same, Y same, right? So it should come true, right? But it will not give it true. Now check. Now run the code. See, X is Y, false. Why? Why it is? Because X is having 1, 2, 3 in a different memory location. See, last 56. And in Y, it is storing the 1, 2, 3 in a different memory, right? So both lists are seems like the same, but their separate element are stored in the different memory location, and that is the reason for list or any tuple. I mean, for multiple element, the identity will be false. Of course, in a NPTEL, they will ask like this also: x is equal to in the 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. But see, identity is different. Rather than if I put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, it will give the correct answer. Done, dear all? Is this clear, everyone? Right?
Shall we proceed for the next question?
रुको थोड़ा लास्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए जगह देता हूँ सबको. Durgesh is saying, but then why, sir, for A and B it's coming true, but not in a C and D case? Option क्या थे, ओम?
Sir, this is full question.
रुको, दुर्गेश क्या बोल रहा है? But then why, sir, for A and B it's coming true, but not in C and D? हाँ, C and D के लिए true क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? वो पूछ रहे हैं.
Just because the ID thing. Let me do this thing. Wait. Where is the question? We'll check the ID of both of them. Wait. Yeah. First, let's print the ID. Oops, the answer is gone. No worries, we'll print it.
What happened?
The code is gone, no worries.
ऐसे तो 1 by 1 वो ऑपरेटर प्रिंट करो तो उनको पता चलेगा. Yes. Now see. 128 लास्ट, सेकंड के लिए 128, थर्ड के लिए 792, fourth 672. Now I hope you understood how to map this. So ultimately it is the game of ID. C is 257. Just a minute. 792, and D is also 257. why A and B? So here Durge's question is why A and B 256 and both ID are same, and why C and
Mm,
D different, right, Durgesh? Am I right?
Sir, I'll provide the explanation in the IP1B file itself, okay? Because it's a bit of late. It's 11 o'clock.
Okay, okay, okay. But anyways, Durgesh, see, it is storing in the same memory. C and D. 2C is equal to 257. Do one thing, na. Please give
Yes, sir.
WXYZ variable. Let's check WXYZ. Remove ABCD, WXYZ. And below also, you just check it out, WXYZ. WXYZ 520. Yes, of course. Y and Z 257, and it is having a different memory. Hmm. Okay, Durgesh, I will come to you, okay, on this question. I'll get back to you on this. It should come same, but if it will come like this, then our option will be different. So, okay, Durgesh, I will cross check and I'll verify and I'll get back to you on this, dear.
Sir, actually, I guess there is a range issue. Uh, there is a range of integer till
Oh, oh, oh,
255
oh, oh.
to 56.
Yes, yes, yes. The memory, I mean, memory to the
Yeah,
power of 2, 4, 8,
yeah.
16, 32, 64, then 128, then 256, right?
Yes,
After
yes, yes,
this,
sir.
it is 257 and it is different.
So the values after 256 will change their location, memory
O-
location, and the values
Okay,
till
okay,
256
okay.
will be allocated to the same
Yes,
memory.
yes, perfect, perfect. Right, right, right. So if we write 256, right? 256, 257, 258, then it will come. 258
Again, the means the
in
values after 256
memory.
will fluctuate the memory location.
Okay, we need to check, but again and verify. Anyways, last question. Last question.
Okay. Again, the precedence table.
Okay, come on. Last question, students. Please get up and give the answer. Then definitely we will close. Huh? We are not going to bore you. Yes, anybody? Anyways, we are going to share this IPYNB file with you. We are going to share this IPYNB file in the description box after this session so that you can refer later on. You can refer all the questions again. And if doubt, you write in the chat box later on, also in the comment box, also. Right? We will definitely get back to you on this. So, answer C. Durgesh is saying C.
Please do try again.
3 is less than 5, less than 8, is equal to true. Here, true will be considered as a 1 or what?
No, sir, it will be considered as a Boolean value.
Boolean only. I think it should come in true or false only.
Yes, yes, sir. Just because they are comparing the things, and at the end we are having true as a variable. Means
Yes,
the value, it's a Boolean value.
yes.
Should be in true and false only.
Anchal is saying
Yeah,
B.
yes, yes. Yes, sir, she is correct.
Okay. Let's quickly see what are the 21st to 47 concept in the quiz, so that you just quickly brief what kind of concept that you need. Likewise, see, till now we have done the precedence, right? So what kind of questions, concept are coming in the 21st to 47, and then we will wind up.
Okay, so mostly I guess there is precedence questions only because in week 1 they focus on operators, not much
Okay.
on variables and data types. They are focusing on operators. So if you are getting most of the part means the most of the content in from week sorry from first 3 weeks, it may be containing precedence questions as lot as possible because till 47 almost the questions are containing the precedence questions, I guess. Yes, yeah, there are some this type of questions too, that they might be
I mean,
trying.
conversion of integer to float,
Yeah,
string, likewise.
yeah, they should try once.
So, student, what I feel, OM has created very good IPYNB file. We will put it into the description box. आप एक बार इसको रिफर भी कर लोगे ना तो एग्जाम के लिए it will definitely help you. Okay, and trust me, it may repeat. Okay, so this kind of concept definitely. I hope from this you will get 10 marks for sure in the quiz, in the final exam of NPTEL. So, anyways, any queries in the any queries or anything that you would like to learn? So, write in the chat box so that we can guide you accordingly. Uh, anyways, Om, you can stop sharing the screen.
Okay, sir.
You can write in the chat box if you are having anything that you would like to share. And students, I am opening the reactions also. You can react by putting some emojis. Sir, this session is very interesting and very good. Thank you so much. But Anchal, I am not recognizing you. You are from IT or which semester? Can you? I mean, if you don't mind, you can give your. I mean, you are from. Where are you from? Actually, I'm not because there are so many students with the same name. I hope you are from IT, I guess. So thanks for the feedback, Anchal. Students, I opened the reactions. If you want to give the feedback to the from okay, Surat. Oh, Anchal. Okay, Surat, I got it. I think you finished your graduation, right, Anchal? Still you are learning. That's great. Oh, that's great. I hope I recognized correctly, right, Anshul? You're
Sir,
from
so
Sri.
alumni are here, right?
Yeah, alumni are there. Great. I think she finished last year itself. Great.
Yeah.
Good. And she's from BCA. She was from BCA. Okay. How was the session, students? You can write in the chat box. I will give you 2 more minutes and then we will finish. Let me turn on my face also. Today, Chandra Grahan, lunar eclipse is there, right? And we both are moon. Chandra. I hope you enjoyed this session, right? Anyways, we are ready to do hard work to crack the exam with a good score. Okay, next session will be on, I mean, for week 2, we are going for a 9 September 9:30. Okay. First of all, we will solve some concept and then we will start with the quiz. But if you are having any doubt, you can tell me. Queries. Durgesh, are you there? How was the question? Any feedback, please? Rahul. Uh, yes, Durgesh is writing. Please read. Om, it is for you.
Yeah, it's great session. Actually, I think this time the certificate will be hard to score high. No, 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 no. Actually, the certificate would not be that high level questions. It might be easy. Just focus on first 3 weeks fully if you want to clear it easily. And by this, I don't mean that you will not focus on week four. You should definitely focus on week four much than focusing on first 3 weeks, because first 3 weeks is just for Python, and the last week is ML. So what do I suggest is do a great reading for week four, because if you are getting ML part a bit, it will be tricky. It will be tricky in NPTEL, and it depends on your luck, how lucky you are. You shouldn't get ML much, because if you're getting ML much, then it will be a lot of tedious tasks to solve that particular thing. Hopes you will get Python. You will get questions from week 1 to 3.
Sure, Durgesh. We are going to arrange. See, in a below, you can find the ticker also. Week 2 doubt solving and revision session is on 9th
Sir, there
September.
is a there is a request for cyber security session
Where?
by our alumni.
Sir, please. Okay, sure. Of course, we will start. Let's start from next week itself.
Cyber security.
Yeah, I will mentor, I will guide them. Yeah, first of all, you will get the Kali Linux tutorial from my end. Yeah, thanks, Anchal, for recommending this. But I suggest, I insist you, Anchal, please gather few more students, so and it will be free. So, because right now, see only 5 viewers, we are expecting at least more so that we can get more suggestions, feedbacks, and questions. So, likewise, you, if few more students wants to join, definitely they can join cybersecurity. I'll guide and I'll forward those details also. Thanks for the feedback, Anshul. Thank you. Yes, Rajan is there. Rajan Vyas and Rahul, give your feedback and then we will leave. Do you like? Would you please join in the next session? Okay, I hope now
Sir,
it
what do they
remains.
require for next session? What are the requirements of the
Yes,
students?
any expectation,
Do they need to solve the questions only, or they need to clear up the concepts?
but only five are there. Okay, anyways, I will ask in the class because we will get only there are five students and one is alumni. So I don't know. We will not get perfect feedback. So definitely in class. But okay, Durgesh is
Need
saying
to
something.
solve. Need to solve.
Okay, if possible, please
If
do more
possible,
dive.
please do more.
Yeah, please read.
Yeah, if possible, please do more dive into the DS and ML part during the 4th week session. I want to go further into the career. Yeah, actually, need not to proceed further with ML and DS part in week four. We'll definitely do that particular thing in a full
Different.
session.
Yeah,
We'll bring a course for the same.
of course.
There will be
Yes.
ML course. Stay in
So
touch.
we will bring a data structure for sure, and we'll bring a machine learning for sure. And Om will be there. A few more experts will join also for our data structures and all. Om will definitely guide on machine learning and data analysis part also in future. Okay, thanks for the suggestion. Until need to solve. Okay, so I hope you like this session, and of course, Om, in next week also, quickly we will brush up the concept of week 2, and we will start. We will attempt more questions. We will
Sure,
give
sure,
it
sir.
more questions. Okay. So definitely you will
Definitely.
get the IPYNB in the description after this session. Hope you enjoy the sessions. Let's end up this sessions. It's 2 hours sharp. We uh, gone to with the 2 hours. Anyways, thank you so
Yes,
much,
yes, very good.
Om, and
Thank
you
you, sir.
you gave us this precious time with us, spending time. So hopefully you enjoy the sessions. Now it's time to see the lunar eclipse. You go Chandra Grahan. Okay. By the way, uh, let's end up this session.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. After you, I will be move out from the sessions.
Okay, sir, shall
Yeah.
I leave, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay.